The Atlanta Falcons are going to use disinfecting drones to clean their stadium because they want to invite fans back into the stadium in a limited number. They're not going to pack the place, obviously. And I think this is so cool. It just feels so anime to me. It feels so futuristic. It reminds me of, I don't remember which anime I was watching back in the day, one of the classic ones.
You watch anime?
No, I mean, not really, but in the old days. And there was like this street cleaner robot in Japan. I don't remember which anime it was. And it had no driver, but it was just cleaning the streets. And this reminds me of that, where you could have robots just kind of autonomously keeping things clean, tidying up after us. We're disgusting humans.
After, everyone leaves, they kind of just pick up.
We're such a mess. We make a mess everywhere we go, and then the robots can tidy it all up. It's such a cool idea. So this is the robot that they're going to use, the drone. It's spraying some disinfectant, and it can be very efficient. It can head over the seats, and it can have full coverage because, it's not going to have a lapse and miss a spot. It's all
they can do it all night too.
Programmed in advance. So it's a pretty cool implementation. Now, it's not the only thing they're going to use in the stadium either, because it's good for the seats and the open section. But of course, in a stadium, you also have the inside portions, and you have the locker rooms, and you have the areas where people would enter. So they're going to actually use the other robot for that, the UV robot. You've seen that one before. They were using it in warehouses as well, and they also use it in healthcare. So they can have that one going around inside, and then the drones are going around the outside, and it's full robotic cleanup, and I love it. I'm in the future.
Yeah, that's great.
So, again, there's going to be social distancing. They're not going to fill the stands, but I guess they can have a few fans in there.